eat chili.
No, I'm gonna tell the world that I told you that you can't have any snacks, any junk food, any juice until you eat food. You need to eat some food before you have any junk food. You just got out of school. You gonna come home, reach in the icebox to some leftover chili dogs. You don't get no chili dogs. You get the chili and throw it in the microwave and eat that and talk about, okay, I'm finna give me some juice. No. You got about this much chili on this plate. On this big ass plate.
No.
You put that little bitty drop of chili on this big plate. Ain't gonna holler about move, man. Excuse me. Ain't gonna holler about. Well, it's still a lot of chili if you spread it around the plate. No. It's still this much chili spread around this plate. I don't care if you spread it around this whole living room floor. It's still this much chili.
Yeah, the living room too big.
Stop jumping on my couch, man, unless you're gonna buy me another one.
I'm not.
Anyways, this come on, don't get my hopes up. I'll buy my own couch. Anyways, this little girl gonna I'm gonna slap the crap out of this little girl, man. I want the world to see. I want the world to see her before I slap her. Before I slap them naps out of her head, I want everybody to see. Yeah, that's how she gonna be acting when I slap her. And she gonna. Okay, we gotta keep the noise down a little bit. Lia's asleep. She like 8 months or some crap like that. Oh. And y'all see why I want to slap the crap out of her? She hasn't had no juice that I know of. She probably stole one. I don't know. She had no candy that I know of. But the thing is, she go into her room and close her door. She don't like being in her room by herself. But she go in her room and close her door so don't nobody be in her room with her. And don't nobody know what's going on inside that room. Except for her. I think she be in that room smashing on something. Smashing on some chips, smashing on some candy, hiding the trash, throwing the trash out her window into the yard.
I wasn't in the house that you saw me eating it.
What I see you eating, Loren?
The Takis. You saw me eating it on my way to school and on my way from school.
Stop screaming before I slap that scream box out your throat. Somebody better come get the girl before I slap him.
Yeah, somebody please come. No. Hey, what you do that for?
Goddamn right. Smack the crap out of her. I ain't playing with her. I don't know her. She's not getting in my video.
Wanna see my tongue?
Baby, stop stomping, man.
It's not my fault that the floor weak.
It's your fault that you stomping and jumping, though.
No, it's not.
Get my camera, man. Anyways, like I was saying, slap the crap out the little girl.